This factory is making fan resistance welder. We're making sample here. We put our welders here. This is technology management. Also, some of his students are doing some experiments and research here. Okay, this is the assembly line of our welders, mostly as a power supply. 40 kA. This is small, like 1 kA. This is one dual output power supply. Dual output. We maximum have three output. The assembly, the power supply. One year we sold about 2,000 pieces of power supplies. These are the big welder. After assembly, they put the power supply here to turn it. Obviously, adjust. We need to adjust the internal parameter and the calibration here. Connection wires and the cable. One power supply we will test at least continuously 24 hours. Here we call aging. If no problem, we pack them over there. This is a plywood box after packed. We also make customize some big welders here. Here is some our machining rooms. Many times when we test the sample, we will make the fixtures, electrode. After design for customer, we machine it here. Okay. I hope this video will help my client understand more. Thank you.